dream big and shoot for the skies. Good listening, rational thinking, outspokenness, and also good communication skills are among my core ability. Hello everyone, my name is Hewit, Erai, I'm 25 from Sarawak, and I'm a final year student in University of Technology Penang in taking my Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering. And this is my story. I thoroughly enjoy working with various drawing software and find it particularly exciting when utilized for engineering projects. The ability to create precise and accurate visual representation is crucial in the engineering field, and my experience with these softwares tools have proven invaluable in this regards. Let's go! So then, my capacity for fast hands-on learning is a valuable asset in the engineering work, where the ability to gain practical experiences quickly is essential and for mastering complex concepts and also processes. So therefore, allow me to find the right tools and it will be on my way. Okay. Not only that, my competitive nature and family values can positively impact the company's, the engineering company, fostering a culture of collaboration and also the excellence while promoting a supportive and also inclusive working environment. In my lifetime, I am proud to have won 2 gold medals in a Young Inventor competition back in 2013. And for my achievement is that I have managed to complete a 30-kilometer cycling challenge that was organized by the UiTM and also the Polytechnic in Matapao. So these accomplishments have boosted my confidence, resilience, and my discipline, including the qualities that can enhance my performance and contribution to the company.
If you had the privilege of your time in reviewing my video, I cordially extend an invitation to make an arrangement for my interview regarding more on my information. Kindly contact me via my email and also my phone number so that we can discuss a meeting at your easiest convenience. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.